Hi, John Hardy here, head of FX strategy with Saxo Bank, looking at the Scandies, at least the Norwegian and Swedish Kronas. They've been rather weak here recently, last several weeks, coming towards the top of the range, 750 in Euro Noki and closer to 870 in Euro Stocky, as we've seen this resurgence in the euro because Draghi and the EU have managed to sort of underline that they're going to do everything it takes to save the euro and to prevent these peripheral spreads from heading wider. Thus, we've seen a bit of an unwind of the whole safe haven trade. Now, curiously, in the past, and we're at very complacent markets here. In the past, this has been very supportive of the Kronos. The reason, of course, as I just mentioned, this time around it's not the case, is because we don't have people running from the euro at the moment. And going forward, I think there's a very big risk that we see a further unwinding in risk appetite. Remember, at very complacent levels, we saw near record lows in at least multi-year lows in foreign exchange volatility late last year. We're seeing incredibly low levels in risk perception in equity markets. And I think when this comes back in, there's got to be something that upsets the apple cart when the economic performance is drastically underperforming market sentiment. And this, I think, will tend to weigh on the Scandies going forward. So if we see the 750 level give way in Euro Noki, for example, Norwegian Krona, we could see that pushing up towards 775 in a couple of months ahead. And in the case of Stocky, maybe it's a bit too early to look for a break above 875, 880 like we saw not so long ago, as the Riksbank has been lowering its interest rates. But even if we do dip back down to 850, I think we'll find support there and be heading back towards 9 eventually, even in the months to come for Euro Stocky.